NASA has made yet another surprising and beautiful discovery. NASA's James Webb Telescope added a new layer to the Carina Nebula and unveiled a buried treasure. The scientists are in awe of the newfound treasure trove of cosmos science and are marveling at the entrancing images of cosmic cliffs. The images of the same were shared by NASA's official Instagram handle that mustered over 1.5 million likes. Astronomers aimed Webb's infrared instruments at the so-called cosmic cliffs within the massive Carina Nebula and more specifically the star cluster NGC 3324. The resulting images were the very first batch of observations we saw from the brand new telescope back in July. But now the researchers have done a deeper analysis of the data and found a crop of newborn stars in a rarely seen stage of development. This is not the first time this corner of the universe has been observed. Previously, the Hubble telescope observed it, but Webb's infrared eyes allow it to see through clouds of dust and gas for the first time to discover dozens of energetic jets of material blasting forth from the young stars. Researchers Nathan Smith from the University of Arizona explained the new discovery in a statement. Jets like these are signposts for the most exciting part of the star formation process. We only see them during a brief window of time when the protostar is actively accreting, he said. Smith is the co-author of a paper outlining the discovery published this month in Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. Scientists did a deep dive into the data, revealing a hotbed of young stars in an elusive stage of development. This discovery may help us investigate how the stars like a sun form, as well as how radiation from nearby massive stars might affect the development of planets. In the image first released in July, you see hints of this activity, but these jets are only visible when you embark on that deep dive, dissecting data from each of the different filters and analyzing each area alone, added team member John Morsey from Caltech. It's like finding buried treasure. The researchers say that the discovery could initiate a new era of better understanding how stars like a sun form and how all the radiation from the star formation in turn affects the development of the nearby planets. This period of very early star formation is especially difficult to capture because for each individual star, it's a relatively fleeting event, just a few thousand to 10,000 years amid a multi-million year process of star formation. That's all incredibly useful information to have when deciding where to focus our search for other Earth-like worlds that might harbor life. The cosmic cliffs is a region at the edge of a gigantic gaseous cavity within the star cluster NGC 3324 and has long intrigued the astronomers as a hotbed for star formation. The James Webb Telescope is the world's premier space science observatory. Webb will solve mysteries in our solar system, look beyond to distant worlds around the stars, and probe the mysterious structures and origin of our universe and our place in it. Webb is an international program led by NASA with its partner ESA, European Space Agency, and CSA, Canadian Space Agency.